let's check it out. Jungle Velvet Lampshade, 167 results. So it's not a huge keyword there, but it is very relevant. You're definitely, your product fits perfectly into this category. And you've got a lot of other good keywords: gold, lining, midnight blue. Now, the keywords for this is definitely a bit tricky. You've got tropical lampshade as well. Let's check that one, and let's see what this one looks like. Tropical lampshade, 1,383 results. So that one's a lot bigger. That one you might want to make your number one. And it looks still very relevant. It's not the same. It's not quite as relevant as Jungle Velvet. Maybe we could just cut velvet. I don't know if velvet is the necessary keyword. So you always want to vet your keywords and try and find the most, the perfect keyword. So that didn't help us at all. Jungle Velvet, I guess it did a little bit. 167 to 425. Jungle Lampshade brings you up to 425, but tropical lampshade is 1382. So at the moment, I would say that should be your number one keyword for this one. Let's see, ceiling light, table lamp, housewarming gift. Now, I don't know if there's any other kind of ways to describe this product. I think tropical and jungle were about the best keywords for this one. But if you have other keywords, or if you know of another way to describe it, you always want to just be searching it and trying to find the best keywords possible. But at the moment, just how I've searched this, I would make tropical lampshade my number one with 1,382 results. And I would go for jungle lampshade. Jungle lampshade would probably be my number two. And then, but I love this jungle velvet lampshade because it's bringing in lots of cool results. So many really, really pretty items out here. Now, let's look at some of the other ones here. That one is super cool. So I see, I like it. You got the monochrome. Definitely a great product. Look, let's check out this one right here. Animal lampshade. There we go. Jacob's got a good suggestion too. Animal lampshade, 1,400 results. So let's check that one too, and let's see what does the listings look like there. Animal lampshade, that's a great keyword too. 1,400 results on that one. And it's a little bit more broad. It might not be quite as perfect, but here's the thing. I think your product is so great. It's going to be, it's going to help itself out by having such a great product that looks really nice. It's going to be easier for you to win on a listing like that when you want with keywords like that. Now let's see. Yellow dandelion lampshade, modern lampshade, geometric lamp, floral lamp, table lamp, ceiling lamp. Okay, good keywords there. I like it. Good photos, dimensions. We've got the different dimensions. I don't know if you ship overseas. You might not because it's so far away. But nope, don't ship to the United States. All right, no worries. So, and there we go. Another good suggestion, mid-century modern from Leighton here, mid-century modern. So you just got to be creative and think about what kind of person is going to be looking for your products, and you have quite a variety, so what are people thinking of? What kind of style? Because that's usually, if I was looking for something like this, what would I be thinking of? I'd be thinking dandelion. I'd be thinking, but people might even just go from the colors. Yellow lampshade, red accent lampshade. You could try something like that. Red accent lampshade. Let's check that. Very different, very strong. You could also try splotches of red, or I don't know if that's a real word, but we'll try it. Splotches of red doesn't really work. And then for this one right here, this last image is it's on the edge of confusing because you've got yellow dandelion in the title, but when you show off these other options, it can be confusing. So maybe I would just write down here and where you say other colors, I would just say, I would link over to those listings because I'm assuming you have those in their own listings. And if you do, then you should go ahead and show them off in their other listings there and just put a link directly to those. Now let's check this one right here, July 14th. The renewal sin, Natasha. You got to go ahead and renew that one. Renew these more often than that. You want to keep them nice and fresh. And if it hasn't been renewed since July, that's a long time. And that might be able to give you a nice boost just right there. Same thing. Look at that, July 6th. Okay, so this is a huge area of opportunity. I think you've got really great looking products here. The lampshades, I mean, the photos are great and the lampshades are so unique and creative and beautiful. So renewing your items will give you a huge boost. Overall, your keywords are pretty good. I think you could improve them a little bit, but the main thing I would tell you is just to go in and renew these listings. Give them a nice refresh, and you can renew your listings every single week. Like this one right here, such a cool looking product. I love it. You got the monochrome gold and black, super, super cool. And but July 12th, that's a few months ago. But if you renew that every single week, you're going to keep refreshing it and pushing it to the top of the search results. And the same thing on your jungle one, the jungle velvet. You got to keep them nice and renewed because when you publish a listing, it lives for 4 months and then it expires. But I've found that renewing them very regularly gives you a boost in the search results. And the reason is obviously Etsy wants to make more money. So every time you renew, they get paid 20 cents. So they give you some boost when you renew your listing, and they help you push higher up in the search results. So go in there and renew some of those listings, Natasha.